My people, now remember the mumu boy wey come outside dey tell us say e no go chop until they acknowledge the fact say gay, lesbians and homosexual, all those people say they too they get right to they love themselves. I don't bring an update from this boy, oh. If I dey talk something, I suppose don't dey hear me. Now this boy come outside by himself. Nobody put gun for him head. Nobody force am. Nobody threaten him. As he come out before, they tell us say he no go chop until that is done. Now he himself, he don't come out. They talk plenty things. Say he don't give up. Say nah, he don't. You know understand? And they look for the English. Say he don't. If I don't cancel his plan, he go chop now. And according to, because people come they wonder say why the change of plans? Now you can't tell us this one. Now they bring another one. You understand? Everybody come they wonder waiting bring this change. Now so this guy open mouth. No, make a quota according to your own English and words. You understand? So that I go understand that. He say, I have decided to suspend my hunger strike. And protest at the National Assembly. He say they keep at the National Assembly time. Say now they go protest. And he continue, I am taking a different approach after being advised by people that have been in this fight longer than me. So now we no understand English. He say now I don't suspend that. This hunger strike, now he go dey chop. He keep am down till National Assembly protest. He go protest for that side. And now the reason why he leave, he change his approach, he change his strategy. You understand? Now because person wey don't dey inside this game, in senior member of the same family, Oloshi people, the advisor I tell her say no be like this. You supposed to take am like that. Now wetin make this one change mind? The period when this guy come outside, they talk plenty things. How many of you now take this mumu serious? I talk calm. I say when hunger wire this one, when hunger visit them, not be to stay, just visit a taste of hunger. Nobody go tell this one. In fact, he go find him way to the kitchen, go chop. The same day when this guy talk about this strike, I'm not eating, I'm not this one, I'm not that one. I know. In fact, that same day, after that video, this guy go chop better, correct eba, aku with a goosey. Now they hear the believer, this one, that one. No, why you chop, bros? Wetin make you chop? No, you agreed on something. And remember my warning, I tell you, say if you chop, so now we just wait for me, because this one, me, I'm a woman of my words. Anything I say like this, I dey do it. I tell you, say if you chop, me and you go enter one trouser. So now wait for me. After this, I need to tell my people what is happening first. You go dey chop. No, you first dey the strike. Mumu, hunger never catch you. You never dey hungry for this your life. Now why you come outside they do this one? We never care for people where they normal. We never care for people who get sense finish. Oh, now you we abnormal human being like you. Now you we work on they care for this one. You say person we don't dey inside the game. Now tell us say make it do the approach in a different way. All of you now you are foolish. All of you, in fact, all of you are just foolish. Una head no correct. But you don't know. See that there. Continue the no. I don't know whether una see. Now wow, plenty people blind though. Plenty people blind. They see. But they think say that the way they see, they see. My brother, we are seeing in different directions. Because the one who say where they see, I don't know where they see the light from. You and your fellow man, they call yourself honey, babe. Fellow man. And you they come outside. You understand? For now to see say this generation na something else. Something one that supposed they hide with shame. Now you they come outside, you even they protest. People they protest for lives. People they protest for reasonable things, no payment of salary, this one, that you they come outside, you they come protest for what? man to man marriage, woman to woman, dirty things. Now una dey cover. If una even fit put that energy, wey una dey waste. If una fit Adam join us fight wey we dey fight for this country, at least e for better. All this strength wey una get, I no know where. In fact, my people, see, I don't think I'm well. All these LGBT people, no be say hatred o. I no like them, but I no hate them. They be human being too. But I beg, you know wetin I don't think now? Because they should go. Abi Joe Biden don make new rule and regulation. Ngwanu, we are not accepted here, and they don already make way for una to go there. Abi make all of see pack una things sef, make una go. I don tire, make they just go so that we go know how many of us remain wey still get sense. Make they go. You dey come fight. Which fight you dey fight? Fight wey the end sef, you no even know whether you go win sef. Now you dey come fight. See, the only thing wey I fit tell una, by the time una eye finally open, you go realize the huge mistake wey you don make all your life, and e go don late. E go don late. I just dey imagine say as the creators, okay, God talk say this mumu now we can't talk about hunger strike. God don't talk say okay, this one go marry one lady like that. No, I don't know whether una dey calculate wetin they calculate. Meaning say now, with the protest where they go on from these people side, many people no go marry. Many ladies go dey single. No, imagine say this one a person husband wey God don destined. Chai! Last we go die for una. We go just kill ourselves for una because una exist. Una no fit just see this thing as spirit. This thing as spirit. Una no fit just see am. Oyibo people, they too they follow for the problem where we get for this Africa. White people, they follow for all the problems. In fact, where we get for this place. No, who bring this one now? Who bring her? Before, the only thing where we know, I don't want to say Africa be perfect, but at least the one where we know, mama and papa go there. You understand? Like we used to be good. We used to be okay. Until all this nonsense come, they can't enter, you can't this one. And our army, and in fact, I will say when I even sabi do now work at the right time. Because this guy like this, he needs slap from one of una. Not be all those unnecessary graga one they do when we don't need that. This one, maybe na army hand go correct their brain so that he go get sense. Now people say he don't stop now they chop correct. In fact, Akpu Egusi say they chop at further notice, and we all know we not say this further notice no go ever come. No, this one. Even the way they do the video that last time, say we look like who go soon faint. Now they come out, they tell us say he's going on hunger strike. My brother, I beg this thing. No try, no try. You know say I warn you before. No even try ya. Anyhow, after here, I dey come for you because me and you we get matter to settle. You never see anything. My people, now the matter be this. So our hunger striker has relocated to the other side. Is now on our side, the Eating Association of Nigeria. So now we dey chop together because so anything wey you guys talk concerning this case, as usual, I don't bring in at the update. So drop her for that comment section and I'll reply on her one by one. Make sure say you subscribe. If not, you go dey miss matter like this, and share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey happen for this house. Stay tuned for our next story.